Hey guys, welcome back to Summer Auto Parts YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to introduce you the must 3-half accessories for Defender OCTA. No matter your car is normal Defender 90, 110, 130, or you have the black edition OCTA style, there's 3 must-have accessories to help your car look more premium and nice look. That is the side vent, the bonnet vent, and the wheel rims. The reason why I recommend our carbon fiber bonnet vent and the OCTA style side vent because we do really good quality. So this is a generic Land Rover Defender OCTA. We can compare our side vent and bonnet vent with the factory one. So all the carbon fiber parts that's 100% same like the factory cars. The reason why I recommend our parts because we do really nice work for the carbon fiber elements. So we can compare the carbon fiber side vents with the factory OCTA one. So that's really nice carbon fiber patterns, and we do this one for both V8 and also for the normal Defender. So if your car is normal Defender 90, 110, 130, or your car is V6 or V8, we have the side vents available for both vehicles. The bonnet vent is also made carbon fiber, so if your car is black edition Defender OCTA, you can replace our carbon fiber exterior parts directly for your car. If you are just a normal Defender, you can use our elements to replace your car bonnet too. You will find the difference between the normal black edition OCTA with the limited OCTA. That's different wheel rims, different side vents, and different bonnet vents. The reason why I recommend this carbon fiber parts for upgrading your new Defender because that's really nice and easy to installation just for replacement. And our carbon fiber is OCTA carbon. The difference between the wheel rims we have for the factory ones, we do the 22-inch and we have the matte black, glossy black, and also the matte gray with matte black. So that's the 22-inch matte black. But we do the more concave, you can compare with the factory one. For the installation, that's very easy. We have the clip coming with your parts, so when you receive the bonnet vent, you will have this clip just to insert with the bracket on the back side and then put on your bonnet. There's one thing need to be noticed for the side vents when you're making the order. You will find the side vents is different for V6 and V8. So when you make order, please notice if for V6, that's it. If for V8, that will be empty on the back side. So that will be the different thing you need to be noticed before you make the order. What's more, if your car is just a normal Defender 90, 110, 130, or you are going to have the 2026 Defender or 2027 new Defender which you released yesterday, you can also choose these 3 must-have accessories for upgrading your new Defender. So follow my video now. We are going to fix the side vents and the bonnet vent for the Defender 90 OCTA body kits. So let's have a look how's amazing after you have the accessories from Summer Auto Parts.